up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing part 2 of my move out series. I got a lot of stuff done in part 1 of the video, which is actually more than I said that I wanted to do, but I'm happy that I did it. And so now we just have the ending of my move out series. Today we are going to be cleaning out the outside area of the house. I have to clean out my bedroom. I have to mop it. I am cleaning my bathroom, washing my shower curtain. I washed some clothes last night. I have to pick those up. Then I am just gonna fully move everything into the extra room that I'm storing my stuff in, and then we'll be finished for the day. This move out process was actually easier than the first one. I felt more overwhelmed the first time I moved out my stuff than this time, but I'm happy for that. So yes, if you like videos like this, please subscribe down below. Please hit my bell button so you will never miss when I post a new video. And with that, let's get started. Okay, honestly, I'm all over the place with packing up. I'm getting a bit flustered, frustrated. Right now, I'm gonna pack out this suitcase. This is a suitcase I'm keeping here with like my toiletries and my sheets and towels. I'm gonna start taking my stuff off the dressing table and out of the drawer, like my hair products and all of that I'm keeping here. And I'm gonna pack them up properly in this suitcase. Okay, so I just cleared out this drawer that I had in all of my hair products, and I tossed them over here to deal with right now. So yay for me. Okay, so I just remembered the word that I was trying to figure out earlier, and it is overwhelmed. Right now, this is my bed. This is my dressing table and my fridge. So I'm gonna work on these right now. I'm gonna pack up all of my plates and spoons and forks and stuff into the bag that I have here for them, my pans and all of that. Then I'm going to clear out the drawer of all the clothes that I've been wearing here at home and all of that into the suitcase that I'm keeping here for them. And then I'm gonna defrost my fridge, take out everything that I don't want anymore, anything that can stay out of the fridge, and put them in the crate that I have here. So I just finished packing up all of my utensils. I had these in the suitcase, but they can't fit, so I'm just gonna put them in the crate with my seasoning and canned stuff that I packed earlier. So unfortunately, I don't have an extra box, so I'm gonna have to use one of my old suitcases that I have underneath the bed to store these extra things in. But I'm gonna take a quick break because my back hurts, and then we're gonna come back to this. Okay guys, so it is currently 1:20 a.m. and so I just decided to continue and try to get as much as I can done because tomorrow is when I am leaving. So that is a bit exciting. As you can see, let me turn off this airplane, hold on. As you can see, my walls are bare. I just took down all the decor. I should have recorded it, but honestly my phone was dying, so I just took them down. I made a lot of progress today. I'm actually proud of it. I'm very proud of myself. So out here is a complete mess. I have everything on the ground here. It's a complete mess out here, but I did sort out what I'm taking. So these 3 bags are what I'm carrying with me back home. Everything else is staying here. I just mopped out the room that I have to keep my stuff in, and so I'm just letting it dry. I have my other stuff out here in the living room for now until the room is dried, and so my next step is to just push everything into the room, tape them down, and then cover them down. My task for later today, because I need to sleep, but my task for later today is to clean my mini fridge completely. I plugged it out, so it's defrosting right now, and I'm going to put some of the items that I opened recently. I didn't want to throw them away, so I'm gonna give them to my landlord and ask him if he can just store them in the fridge upstairs for me until I get back, God's willing. So yes, slowly but surely I have a bit more work that I have to do. I have to clean my bathroom out. I have to just mop out the outside area, the kitchen, the living room, mop out in here. I have to remove my printer. I believe once I push everything into the other room, I'll be able to see everything come together. Like right now it still seems a bit haphazard, but it's way better than what was happening earlier. So I need to take this down. So I'm going to start pushing everything into the extra room, then we will continue from there. I did clog up my fridge yesterday, so I still have a bit of ice. And I have like some random stuff in here. Like these got wet, so I took out what was inside of them already. So just to throw away the wet boxes. I have some milk and boiling the rest of my potatoes I have in here. I have a block of butter. I have some juice that I'm gonna drink, and I have a little bit of mayonnaise. So this is just gonna be one meal, I guess. So I'm just gonna clean out this fridge, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I just finished cleaning out my fridge. I'm gonna leave it open to air it out, but I'm gonna move it out of the room right now. Yes, love it. So I'm officially finished moving out. Everything is gone. Everything off the walls, completely gone, and I'm about to head to the airport. So, yep.
For more information or to require assistance, visit canada.ca/avoidcan and submit your contact and quarantine time information through the RightCam app or website prior to boarding the aircraft. If you do not have a negative COVID-19 test result,
please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and use caution in opening the overhead bins, as heavy articles may have shifted around during the flight.
I'm home! Yay! Thank you, Jesus, so much. So now it's just a surprise my mommy for Mother's Day. Ah ha ha! Yay! And now I'm just waiting in the dark until my mom and my dad get back. I was told to stay in the dark, so I didn't do anything but just plug in my phone because my battery is on like 8%.
I don't know where for the first shirt.
I tell you where to get.
Hello!
I had a feeling, so yeah.
Of course you did.